Today, exercise 7.2, question number 1. Before that, just recall the basic properties of determinant. Basic properties of determinant. Okay. What is the first property? The first property, the value of the determinant remains. The value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Unchanged if it is rows and columns are interchanged. Interchange means any rows or columns interchanged or unaltered, and the values are same. This is the first property. Okay. And second property, if any two rows or columns, of a determinant are interchanged, then the sign of determinant changes. Then the sign of the determinant is changes. Okay. Any two rows or columns, second property, any two rows are interchanged or unaltered, then the determinant value is minus 5. This is the second property. Okay. Third property is any two rows or columns same value, then the determinant becomes 0. Becomes 0. So third property, if any two rows or column of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Okay. This three properties is enough. Okay. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Without expanding, question is without expanding the determinant, prove that determinant of S is column 1, column 2 is A2, B2, C2, column 3 is B square plus C square, C square plus A square plus B square equal to 0. Without expanding, how to find the value? Okay. In column 1, S is the same value. Column 1. C1, C2, C3, column 1, S. So S, column 1, S common taking out. So what is the remaining value? Value S common value. Remaining 1. Column 2, column 3 update. So A square, B square, C square, and B square plus C square plus A square plus B square equal to 0. கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க. காலம் 3 ல b ஸ்கொயர் plus c ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு, ஆனா a ஸ்கொயர் கிடையாது. காலம் பாருங்க 3 ல c ஸ்கொயர் plus a ஸ்கொயர் இருக்குது, b ஸ்கொயர் காலம் 2 ல இருக்குது. a ஸ்கொயர் plus b ஸ்கொயர் இருக்குது, ஆனா c ஸ்கொயர் காலம் 2 ல இருக்கு. ஒரு small changes. என்ன சேஞ்சஸ்னா c3, this is c2, c3. So c3 changes. c3 plus c2. ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணலாம். c3 இந்த C3 மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். எப்படி? வெளியில ஆல்ரெடி S வெளிய எடுத்துட்டோம். S into the remaining value 1 A square B square C square, A square B square C square. column 3 changes. C3 plus C2. இதோட இத ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்ப இங்க A square போயிடுச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? இது A square plus B square plus C square ஆ மாறிடும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த B square இங்க போச்சுனா இதுவும் என்ன ஆகும்? A square plus B square plus C square ஆ மாறிடும். இது c ஸ்கொயர் அங்க போச்சுனா சோ a ஸ்கொயர் plus b ஸ்கொயர் plus c ஸ்கொயர் ஆ மாறிடும். இப்போ காலம் 3 ல பாருங்க எல்லாமே சேம் வேல்யூ. ரிமைனிங் இந்த a ஸ்கொயர் plus b ஸ்கொயர் plus c ஸ்கொயர் டேக்கிங் அவுட் சைடு. சோ s into a ஸ்கொயர் plus b ஸ்கொயர் plus c ஸ்கொயர். So what is the remaining value? Column 1 column 2 is a square b square c square. column 3 is a square b square c square வந்து காமனா வெளிய எடுத்துட்டோம். அப்ப ரிமைனிங் என்ன வரும்? 1 வரும். இப்போ பாருங்க c1 c3 சேம் வேல்யூ. By the property third என்ன property? Any two rows or columns are same value, identical, then the determinant values become 0. The c1 identical, c3 same value, therefore it is 0. That's it. Important question, 3-mark question. Okay, just practice. Okay, question number 2. So that determinant of b plus c, bc, b square, c square, c plus a, ca, c square, a square, a plus b, ab, a square, b square equal to 0. What we prove? 0. Okay. In this question, R1, this is R1. R1 means row 1. R2 means row 2, second row. R1 means row 1, first row. R2 means second row. R3 means third row. R1 B plus C, BC, B square, C square is there. Which elements are missing? A is missing. So R1 is multiplying by R1, row 1. Row 1 changes A into R1. Okay. And second row C plus A, which is missing? B. The element of B is missing. So R2 implies B into R2. Okay. And third term A plus B is there, C is missing. So R3 implies C into R3. Okay. Now multiple. A into B plus C. So AB plus AC. And A into BC is ABC. And A into BC square, AB square C square. And second term R2 changes B. B is missing. So multiplying by B. So B into R2, B into C, BC. Plus B into A, AB or BA. And B into CA equal to ABC. B into C square, A square. And R3 is C is missing. So A into C is AC. Plus C into B equal to BC. Here AB into C is ABC. In this term C into A square B square. So equal to 0. Okay. In this determinant C2 and C3 ABC is the common. In C2 ABC common taking out. ABC common taking out. And C3 liyo or ABC வெளியெடுத்துலாம். ABC into ABC is ABC the whole square. What is the remaining element? C1 is AB plus AC, BC plus BA, and AC plus BC is C1. This is C1. ABC C2 ABC வெளியெடுத்தாச்சு. So the remaining term என்ன இருக்குங்க? 1 இருக்கும். இங்கே ABC காமனா வெளியெடுத்தோம். So remaining term ABC. So remaining term is BC இங்க இருக்கும். இங்கே என்ன இருக்கும்? CA இருக்கும். CA is common term. So remaining term CA's remaining term is AB. Now the first one C1 is AB plus AC is there. BC is missing. BC plus AB plus CA is missing. AC plus AB is missing in the term. அப்போ C1 changes. C1 C3. C1 changes C1 plus C3. C1 changes C1 plus C3. So the remaining elements are A, B, C the whole square. A, B, C the whole square into C1 changes C1 plus C3. இதை add பண்ணிக்கலாம். C1 and C3 add பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ AB plus BC plus CA ஒரு ஆர்டர் எழுதிக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி AB plus BC plus CA. இதுவும் AB plus BC plus CA. And third term AB plus BC plus CA. This is C1 changes. C1 changes C1 plus C3. So remaining element C2 and C3 is C3 is same element 1 1 1 and C3 is BC CA and AB. Now C1 in this term AB plus BC plus CA all the elements are same. Again taking outside. So ABC the whole square into AB plus BC plus CA. Taking outside. So remaining C1 value is 1 1 1. C2 value is 1 1 1 and BC CA AB. By the property, third property, any two rows or column is same value, then the determinants become 0. So C1 C3 are the same value. C1 is identical, the symbol is identical to C2. Therefore it is 0. It is 0. That's it. Okay, question number 3. Prove that A square, determinant of A square, BC, AC plus C square, A square plus AB, B square, AC, AB, B square plus BC, C square equal to 4 times of A square, B square, C square. What we prove? 4 times of A square, B square, C square. Okay. In this question, okay, each and every question is a knowledge based sums. Okay, think and then do it. Okay. The first column 1. Okay, column 1. This is column 1. Sorry, this is column 1. C1, column 1. This is column 2, column 3. C1 A square plus AB is the AB. So A is the common term. Taking out C1 common from taking out A common in C1. Okay. Next C2 is B is the common. B is the common in C2. Third, C is a common from C3 in C3. Okay. Now column 1 A is taking out, column 2 is B is taking out, column 3 C is taking out. So remaining elements, A position remaining 1A. A is a commonly taking out, so remaining value is A plus B is there. Third, A taking out the remaining element B irukkum. அதே மாதிரி இங்க B காமன் எடுத்துங்க. B எடுத்தா remaining C, B, B plus C. And in this term C common taking out, so remaining A plus C இருக்கும். Here C எடுத்தா remaining A இருக்கும். இங்க C இருக்கும். That's it. Okay, this is the determinant. Next, this is C1, C2, C3. C1 changes or C2 changes. C1 changes. C1 plus C2 plus C3 எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். C1 plus C2 plus C3 we get ABC into A plus A. A plus A equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. A plus A equal to value 2A. Add பண்ணிக்கலாம். C1 C2 C3 எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. A plus A is 2A. C plus C equal to 2C வரும். 2 is taking out. A plus C ஆயிரும். And A plus B, B plus A. So A plus A is 2A, B plus B equal to 2B. So 2 into A plus B. Next, B plus B is 2B, C plus C equal to 2C. 2 into B plus C வரும். இது C1. இதெல்லாமே C1 ல தான் எடுக்கணும். Because C1 changes. C1 ல தான் changes பண்ண போறோம். இது C1 plus C2 plus C3 இது மூணுமே ஆட் பண்ணி இதெல்லாம் அப்ளை பண்ண போறோம். C1 ல அப்ளை பண்ணியாச்சு. Next, C2 value same. C, B, B plus C. And C3 value same value. A plus C, A, C. Now in this term, which is a common term? 2 is the common. இப்போ 2 மட்டும் வெளியே எடுக்கலாம். Taking out. 2 is taking out. So remaining 2 into ABC. 2 into ABC இருக்கும். So remaining element is A plus C, A plus C, A plus B. Next B plus C, C, B, column 2, C, B, B plus C. Next A plus C, A, C. Okay. In this determinant, எப்படி simplify பண்ணலாம் கொஞ்சம் think it. 2 times of A plus C. This is A plus C. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, in this term, 2 into A, B, C into A plus C, C, A plus C, A plus B, B, A, B plus C, B plus C into C is there. Okay, now simplify. This is column 1, this is column 2, column 3. C2 changes or C1 changes. C2 changes, C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1. Okay. C2, C1 equal to same value. A plus CA, A plus B, B plus C. So C2 changes. C2 minus C1. So C get cancelled. C2 minus C1. C1 equal to A. A plus C. This minus includes the minus A minus C. Plus C minus C get cancelled. Remaining element is minus A. In this term, B get cancelled, remaining minus A. B plus C get cancelled, 0. Next is C3 changes. C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1. Because A plus C இருக்குது. So cancel 0. A plus C minus A plus C 0. A minus A minus A get cancelled. This sign is minus B value. A minus B minus A minus B. Minus A plus A get cancelled, so minus B இருக்கும். இங்க CC get cancelled, so remaining value is minus B வரும். Okay. Now C1 plus C2 இது ரெண்டு add பண்ணலாம். In this term C1 changes. C1 plus C into C1 changes. C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. எல்லாத்தையும் add பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ minus A plus A get cancel, remaining C1 என்ன இருக்கும்? C மட்டும் இருக்கும். இங்கே A minus A plus A cancel ஆயிரும், minus B plus B cancel, so remaining இங்கே 0 ஆயிரும். இங்கே plus B minus B get cancel, remaining இங்கே C மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். C2, C3 values same. Minus A, 0, 0, minus B ஆச்சு. Okay? இது வரைக்கும். So far any doubt is there? Copy this. Okay, after that 2ABC into column 1 C is a common term, C taking out C, and column C2, so A is common, so A taking out A. Column 3 B is common taking out, so A, B, C common taking out. So remaining elements are C1 is 1, 0, 1, C2 is minus 1, 0, C3 equal to 0, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Now multiple 2 into ABC equal to 4ABC into expanding R1 we get expanding row 1. Okay. Now 1 into first column first row, expand determine method. First column first row, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, formula minus 0 into anything is 0, plus minus plus sign conversion, minus into minus is plus 1 into second column first row. Now multiple 0 into minus 1, 0 into anything 0, middle value is minus 1 into minus 1, minus or minus plus 1, plus 0 into anything is 0. Okay, now simplify. 4AB into AB, 4A square, B square. Sorry. In this term, 2 into A into A square, ABC is A square, B square, C square. Okay, 2A square, B square, C square. Now 2A square, B square, C square into first term is 1. In this equation, 1 plus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4A square, B square, C square. So hence prove. So very important easy sum. Just practice. Okay. So 5 more question.